Local Government and Public Works Minister Mnangagwa is facing serious accusations tied to a document forgery scandal involving Mnangagwa Housing Cooperative. The cooperative has taken legal action to reclaim land they believe was wrongfully taken from them at Arlington Estate in Harare. This case has raised eyebrows and ignited discussions about corruption within the government. On April 15, 2025, Mnangagwa Housing Cooperative filed summons at the High Court, seeking to invalidate an offer letter dated February 9, 2024. This letter was issued to Secure It Ltd, a company connected to cement giant PPC Zimbabwe Limited. The cooperative claims that it was legally given subdivision east of Arlington Estate, which covers 530.25 hectares, by the Ministry of Local Government back in January 2006, and it argues that its claim to the land is still valid. According to the court documents, officials from the Ministry of Local Government and Public Works, allegedly under Mnangagwa's influence, are accused of illegally reallocating the land to Secure It without cancelling Mnangagwa's original offer letter. Investigations into the matter suggest that Minister Mnangagwa might have used his position to create fraudulent documents that benefited PPC Zimbabwe and its affiliates. Despite the existence of a valid offer letter, confirmation letters from the Harare Metropolitan Province, and a government gazette notice from July 2010, the ministry issued a new offer letter to PPC in 2024. This action has raised concerns among critics, who argue that it violates existing court orders that prevent Mnangagwa from being evicted from the land and cast doubt on Mnangagwa's competence and integrity as a leader. Legal experts weighed in, stating that issuing a second offer letter for land that has already been allocated could indicate gross incompetence, corruption, or abuse of office. The situation escalated when Minister Mnangagwa invited President Emmerson Mnangagwa to officiate a ceremony where the contested title deeds were handed over to PPC Zimbabwe. Reports indicate that this event, covered by the Herald on April 11, 2025, has sparked outrage, with some questioning whether the president was misled into endorsing a transaction that is mired in legal issues. A legal analyst raised concerns by asking, why would the president be invited to legitimize a contested deed of transfer? Was this a deliberate move to tarnish the president's image? The Mnangagwa Housing Cooperative alleges that Secure It, with the support of officials from the ministry, put up billboards claiming ownership of the land back in 2017, initiating a series of legal disputes. It was during one of these disputes that Secure It presented the offer letter and deed of transfer that are now at the center of the scandal. The cooperative is now seeking an immediate court order to prevent Secure It from occupying the land and is requesting that the sheriff of the High Court evict the company if necessary. They also aim to have the ministry permanently barred from reallocating any part of the land and are demanding costs against Secure It and the ministry. Attempts to reach representatives from Mnangagwa Housing Cooperative, PPC Zimbabwe, and the Ministry of Local Government and Public Works for comments were unsuccessful, as calls to their offices went unanswered. The matter is now awaiting a hearing at the High Court, and many are watching closely to see how this scandal unfolds and what it might mean for the future of land governance in Zimbabwe. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.